Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a video or how you film yourself to look cinematic. So the thing that you have to do is just go open your camera. It doesn't matter either you want to use the front camera or back camera. And here I will let you use my front camera, so I will let to flip it. And right after that I will let you change this mode into this video. Go click them, and we just need a short video, and so simple. You just need to start recording the video. And whenever you're done taking the video, now you just need to go back into your home screen, and let's just open the CapCut right away. You can just open the CapCut, and after that you just need to create a new edit or new project and just add the video that you have been recorded before. And right after that, go click add. Actually, to make the short video to look cinematic is so simple. You just need to cut this clip into several clips. So you just need to cut into the particular part. Make sure that you got the best part, like such as you can see there will be like several seconds that is not important for this video. You just need to like take them off. Go click the clip, split, and delete the clip that doesn't important. And right after that, you just need to find this best spot to trim this clip so that you get the timer. Okay, so let's say here I will like to cut it here. So you just need to do the same. Go click edit and split. You need to find another spot again, so you just need to like find whenever you want to flip the pages. So you just need to go click split again and just continue for the rest. Okay, I think I will let you end this here. I will let to delete this because it doesn't important. And I will let to delete this too. Okay, and then this is the last, guys. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is just applying the animation or transitions. So you just need to visit this, click this square, and after that you just need to go find the mix one, and you just need to apply to all clips. And right after that you just need to adjust in the duration. Make sure that you got the longer one, because the longest the longest the transitions you got, it means that the smoother the transitions that you will have. So here is the result. I'll let to delete several clips so that they can like have a jump. Okay, let's just check. And right after that, the next thing we need to do is just adjusting the color. If you can see now, the quality of my video is quite pale because there is no color that popping up. So let's just adjust in the color. You just need to take a look on this button feature. Go click adjust, and you just need to take a look or focus on this part. First thing is the brightness. You need to increasing the brightness if you want to make your video clear. I would like to suggest you to have like 15 to 20, but yeah, it just depends on the video that you have. And for the next thing is contrast. Make sure that every color, every element on your video is contrast. So you just need to drag them into like 20%. And right after that, now you just need to visit the saturation. So you can adjust in the saturation. If we want to make it like more warm, you just need to drag it into the right side. And this is the key. You need to find the grabs, and in this grab section you need to choose this white color, and I will like to suggest you to drag this point into the down part so that we can reducing the white color on the video, so that we can make the video like more darker, but then it's not disturbing other color. And the next thing we need to do is just go open the shadow. We need to find the shadow because we want to make a clear shadowing 3G video. So go click this shadow, and you need to make a shadow pop up by drag this point into the left side. And now let's just check the result. And the next thing we need to do is adding the audio. The audio, it's just up to you how the way you want to add. Just find the audio that can support your cinematic video. But again, the key is on the transitions as well as the adjustment of the color of the video. You can also add some animation if you want to. Just go click in and fade in and add the out into the fade out. And here is what thing you will get. You can like drag this point into the other side, into the other clip, I mean. So you just need to go click this fade in and fade out too. Just continue until the last clip. So add the fade in and fade out too. And this is the result. So basically that is the way, guys, how to make your video look cinematic. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will let see you for the next tutorial.